Oh, so sweet. Frankie's favorite thing to do on a nice day. Stand at the front porch and watch all the people and have a little snack. Yeah? What do you see out there? What do you see out there? Uh-oh, you dropped your bread. Uh-oh. Ew. It's dirty now. Ew. Here, have a goldfish instead. Come here, buddy. Oh, down you go. Yay, goldfishes. Rock.